Hi, here's a short tutorial about adding a video gallery screen to your app. Let's say we want to add some videos. To do so, click the Add Screen button and scroll through the templates until you find the one named Video Gallery. Bring it to the gray box and name it. Give it the same name, remember, as the button it came from, which in this case was My Videos. And for each video that you want to add, click on the image here, select YouTube, which is the primary source for videos, and then find a video on YouTube that you want to bring into the app. Go to YouTube, find a video that you want to use, and click the Share button below that video. This will open up a window with several options, including a direct URL link. Select it, copy it, and then return to the platform, entering that URL in the window. When you attach it, you will see a thumbnail version of that video appear on the photo gallery screen. You can give it a description, and then you can save the screen. Before you do so, if you want to add more videos, just click the Add Video button, and when a new image appears, click on that. Now save the screen and return to the referencing button, which in this case is on the home screen, called My Videos. Click on the button and for the link screen option, select My Videos, save the screen, and finally, if you do have your access code and you want to see it on your mobile device, be sure to click the refresh button at the bottom next to your 9-digit code. That's all there is to it. Videos are a nice addition to your web-based apps.